Hello Internet, Glucksbox here, and I'm here to do an unboxing video today. I'm here to do an unboxing for the new Steam Deck, which I received recently. And I have the 256 gigabyte model, and I just wanted to kind of show everybody what's inside. So when you open this box, first you have attention in various languages. And this very important, very large attention thing is merely telling us to plug in and power on. Okay, so that's the first thing you see when you open the box, is that's the instructions. Plug it in, power it on. Got it? Inside the box are two goodies. One of them is less exciting. It is the power cord that is housed within this little box. Got our little power cord box here. And so the power cord is your basic USB-C style. It's the rounded USB-C style pluggy plug. That's what it looks like. Regular 2-prong for the US. So once you get past the really exciting plug and the important instructions, you get to the most important part. I'm just gonna toss the box. When you get to the most important part, your games are going places. Okay, so important to note that the Steam Deck does come with its own case, and it's very nice. It has a little handle. I like how the Steam Deck logo is half a Pokeball. Other features of the Steam Deck case, we have the handle, as I mentioned. There's also a strap here in the back that is elastic, so I guess you could put that on your suitcase handly thing when you're wheeling around a suitcase. There is also lockable zipper here if you wanted to have an extra secure travel with your Steam Deck. You can open it up now. Are you ready to see it? Alright, here we go. Alright, so within the case is the Steam Deck, and I feel awkward holding it this way. I don't want it to fall out, so I'm going to take it out right now. It has this nice little convenient little strappy thing, so you just lift it and it's easy to take out of the case. So here is the Steam Deck. It is a big boy. He's a big boy. A sizable beast. Let me turn it on so you can see with the screen. Oh yeah. So what you can do with the Steam Deck is you have all your games you can attempt to download. Not all of them will work, unfortunately. Ideally, the games that work best are games that are compatible with a controller, because you're using the same controls. Things that are really QWERTY keyboard based are going to be the most difficult to emulate on a Steam Deck, just because of having to be clumsily using a keyboard. There's a keyboard function. You can also hook up a USB keyboard, Bluetooth, different things to it, but it's just kind of, that's not really the handheld experience at that point. So in my opinion, I think it's best to get games that are designed to use controls, a classic controller kind of style, because that's just what a handheld device is really set up for. I want to kind of do a size comparison with the Nintendo Switch. So here's the Switch, and here's the Steam Deck. The screens themselves are not, I mean, obviously Steam Deck's bigger, but really what's sizable is the amount of space you have for your hands with the Steam Deck. So anyone with bigger hands who find that they feel like they're gonna break their Switch or something like that, you're gonna be a lot more comfortable gripping onto this beast of a system, because you have that much more thumb space and finger space, and there's actually extra buttons back here in the back you can configure, so it's big hand friendly. That's important to know for some people, so I'm putting it out there. The battery life is about 4 or 5 hours. You can turn it on, play for a little bit, turn it off, leave for tomorrow. It'll still have the same amount of battery. It holds on so far so good, at least. So I wish it was a little bit stronger in terms of how many hours you have off the bat, but I'll take it. This is basically a little cute tiny PC in my hands, so I'm happy no matter what, to be honest. So that's the Steam Deck. Thanks so much for watching this unboxing video. I hope you liked it. And if you want to see more content, be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!